Okay, I'm going to show you how to do to edit your map that you might be searching for. So the first thing I did was searched in Google for images. And then once I search for images, I can choose tools, usage rights, and then label for reuse. This makes sure that I'm following copyright for my images and that I do have permission to use them. You're going to have a large selection to choose from. You may want to choose a map that shows actual roads, or you might want to choose a map that shows actual places to visit. But to keep it simple, I'm just going to choose one of these maps here. So I select the map, and then I'm going to choose View Image. From there, I'm going to save this map. So I'm going to right-click, Save Image As. I'm going to choose Desktop, and then I'm going to choose Save. I'm going to right-click on my image and choose Open with Paint. To do that, when I open with Paint, it's going to allow me to make edits to this. So I can either choose to do straight lines, squiggly lines, or I can use a pencil. So whatever your choice is, make that selection. You might want to make your line thicker. So I'm going to choose a little bit thicker. And then if I wanted to, I could choose a different color. So if my project is starting in New York City and I'm going to Chicago, I would click and drag a route that I could take. So obviously I'm not going to go through the water to be able to go to, let's say, Chicago, Illinois. And it's kind of in that location. I know I'm not exact. Then I might need to label it. So I'm going to click the A for text, and then I'm going to click in this area and type Chicago. I can adjust the size of this font, change the color of it, whatever I need to do to make it fit my needs. Once I'm done labeling and doing everything I need to do for this map, I can then do a file, or this little drop-down arrow, save as, and I want to save it as a JPEG. JPEG's the most versatile, that's why I say to select that. And then I'm going to name this one Map 1, and you can see I already have a Map 1 there. That's okay. I'm just going to save over top of it because I've already done this activity. So I'm going to choose, I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to go and get my pencil, and next place I'm going to go is to Colorado. So I can choose a different color if I want to show leg 2, whatever I want to do, but I'm going to go ahead and choose Colorado somewhere around in that area. I can label it, and then once I'm all done with it, I can do a file, save as, JPEG, and this is going to be my map 2 because that's the second leg of my trip. Click save, and I'm going to go through all of those legs that I'm doing for my project. When I'm all done, I can then go back to my sway, and I'm going to go and add in a page by clicking the plus sign. This is going to be an image that I'm adding, so I select image, and then under suggested, my device. From there, that's why I did the order, because now I know map 1 goes first. I grab map 1, I insert it, I go to map 2, and I continue this process until all my maps have been included. And that's it.